Assalamu alaikum. Here we come with another lesson of our Noorani Qaida series, and in this lesson we are gonna learn the Fatha or Zabar. So what is Fatha? In Arabic, this little bar is called Fatha or Zabar in Urdu. So it always comes above the letter, and it is simply a slash or a little bar above the letter that is put diagonally above the letter. So how to read it? The one thing we have to remember that the sound of fatha is like a. At the end of each letter, eventually we have to say a. Like I show you, this is ba zabar ba. We have to give a sound a at the end. Okay, so let's start this lesson. Hamza zabar a. You might wondering that this is alif, but one thing worth remembering here that when alif got something like fatha, zama or everything else we shall discuss inshallah in coming lecture, then it becomes hamza. It is same like this one. Okay, so one thing to remember here. So this is hamza zabar a little jerk only in this case. In the case of hamza or alif, you might say hamza zabar a. The next one, ba zabar ba. Ba zabar ba. You don't have to stretch it or don't have to put a jerk. Like you can't say it like ba zabar ba or ba zabar ba. No, it's ba zabar ba or ba fatah ba. The next one, ta fatah ta. Similarly, moving to the next one, it's tha. We practice it in the previous lectures. It is tha zabar tha tha. And the next I'll practice only these sounds. So the next one is ja, ha, kha, da, za, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, za, ta, za, a, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, a, ya, ya. So this is quite easy lesson, but we have to remember the things that we don't have to stretch the letter or we don't have to put an extra jerk. Just read it softly like ba fatah ba, ta fatah ta, tha fatah tha. And one thing here importantly that you have to remember the sounds. Like you don't have to always have to say jim zabar ja, but when it comes in front of you, you should quickly say it's ja. You should have that much practice. When this comes, you quickly say it's a. Similarly, if this letter comes, you should able to say it's ta. So hope you will get this lesson and you will practice much to master this. At the end of the video, I'll say that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button so that you will attach to our channel, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of new videos. Okay, stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.